Yo, what's up gang, how are ya? I'm so glad to have you here with us in the channel. I welcome you to this new video and let's get it on. Today we are going to talk about a beautiful and low-cost smartphone. We're talking about UMIDIGI A5 Plus. This piece of phone came from China. We buy it through AliExpress and we acquire it for just $100. As you can see in the video, the cell phone came pretty well packaged, although we had a very big inconvenience. It took so long to came to Mexico, more than 4 months actually. In fact, we already considered it lost, and instead we decided to bet to his arrival. But well, at the end it's already here, so let's talk about it. UMIDIGI is a Chinese brand and I know it from a lot of years ago, but I have never been encouraged to buy a device from them, because it has been known from several years that Chinese products has a poor quality, or at least that's the general opinion. But with this cell phone I had to do the test, I mean, come on, just look at those beautiful specs. With 3 rear cameras and a front camera with 16 megapixels, with a fast charge of 10 watts, 4 gigabytes in RAM, with a 4000 huge battery and 32 gigabytes of storage. And just for $100, I mean, come on, I need to try it. I have to try it, And in addition, many Chinese cell phone brands have proven that they can offer products with great specifications at a really affordable cost, such as Oppo and Huawei and of course Xiaomi. But well, let's go back to the unboxing. Inside the box we can find the phone that comes with a fairly simple case, by the way. It comes with charger, USB cable, instructions and tray key. The body of the equipment is so beautiful. To talk about the cell phone, we have with us a special guest. His name is Anonymous. So welcome and we hear you.
Thank you for the invitation, first of all. But now let's talk about the cell phone. It has a glass body and aluminum edges. On the back are the 3 cameras next to the flash in the upper left and the fingerprint reader in the center.
Yeah, that's right, my friend. And what do you think about the color?
Well, I like it so much. It's so beautiful and bright. His flashes are so beautiful too, and it's just perfect.
Thank you. In the bottom part we found the USB port, the cancellation microphone, the speaker and the
mini jack for the earphones as well.
Yeah, that's right, I was forgetting. Oh, and by the way, what do you have to say about the screen?
It's an amazing screen. It has a so good quality. I like it so much.
Yes, I definitely agree with you. You know something? I noticed something. The bright on the backside, it's hard to show in a video, because when you have the terminal in your hands, it's so cool when you look at it. By example, we take some shots in the outside with natural light, but we can't be capable to show that beautiful and special effect, in the terminal. What do you think about that?
Yes, well, I think it definitely looks better in person.
Thank you. You know what? Another thing that I like a lot of this terminal is in the tray you have two slots for two different SIM cards.
And the memory expansion slot too.
That's so cool, right?
Right.
And another of its positive points, it's definitely his 4 gigabytes of RAM, because that make this equipment so fast. Although its processor it's low spectrum, with this 4 gigabytes you can have a very fast experience inside the phone. And so, tell me please, in general terms, what do you think about this equipment?
Well, I think considering the relationship between quality and price is really good. Its strongest point will definitely be the quality of the screen, the speed of the equipment, and the storage personally. And do not make me talk about how it looks on the outside. It's simply beautiful. The shine on its back is just amazing and of a very good quality. In fact, the equipment itself looks made of very good materials. Although it has certain flaws as a cell phone, I think I will generally rate it as a pretty good equipment. If you're looking for a good phone that works for the basics and even more, this is what you're searching for.
Well, actually, you're absolutely right about that. And we need to talk about the flaws. Within the failures that we have able to detect so far, there are the fingerprint reader, some pictures, some photos, and the battery.
I would say that the battery lasts relatively a short time. The fingerprint reader has already been disconfigured twice, and sometimes it takes time to recognize the fingerprint. The last effect I would say is that for some reason the pictures become green, although just in some occasions.
Okay, well, thanks Anonymous for your cooperation, for your collaboration. We are so happy to have you here with us in the channel, and we hope to count on you in future collaborations. Thank you very much.
So I'm pretty glad for being here with all of you guys, and I hope you like it, and I hope we meet in another occasion. Thank you.
And then nothing more, gang, until here the video of today. I hope you like it. If so, please give me your beautiful like, subscribe the channel, turn on the notifications, and share the video. We let you with some shots of the cell phone in compared to other cam, you can see quality of this camera in comparison with another camera. Alright? So goodbye and see you soon.